Hi Medhansh. Today I'm going to tell you the story of Maze of Choices. The days passed and the four friends, Medhansh, Vehaan, Kavish and Nikku, returned to their normal routine life. They walked to school together, shared their lunches, and played games until the evening sun touched the rooftops. One fine afternoon, when Kavish reached home, he was surprised to see his mother and father sitting together joyfully playing a game of chess. Kavi sat beside his father and asked, Papa, you came home early today? His father said, Yes, son. My boss is celebrating his twin sons Ravi and Raj birthday today with town people. They are turning 13, so he gave half day to all of us. Kavi's eyes sparkled with excitement. He dashed out of the house to find Medhansh, Vihan and Nikku. We are going to the birthday party, he announced to his friends. The four friends went to the birthday party and enjoyed the party and cake. At exactly 6 p.m., the music stopped and the two twins stood up on a stage with chessboards. Ravi shouted, Is there any brave soul who dare to challenge us in chess? The winner will get a reward of 1 million rupees. People looked at each other but no one moved. Something caught Medan's eye. A small boy sitting by himself playing with a horse toy. He showed this to their friends. When Kavish saw this, a memory flashed in Kavish's mind. The vision from the orb, the chessboard, the horse moving towards him. Kavish stood up and said loudly, I will take the challenge. Medhansh, Vihan and Nikku were shocked, as Kavish don't know how to play chess. Kavish leaned towards Medhansh and whispered his plan. And Medhansh whispered the same to Vihan and Nikku. Kavi said, I will challenge both Ravi and Raj, but on one condition. I need two separate rooms, and I will play each one of you alone. In two rooms, two boards were set. Ravi chose white and Raj chose black, which was expected by Kavish. Ravi took the first move. Kavish said, Excuse me, I must begin my game with your brother first, as I am white there. He rushed to room number 2, where Raj had chosen black. Kavish copied Ravi's exact move and began the game. He wasn't playing chess, he was mirroring. Every move Ravi made, Kavish played on Raj's board. Every move Raj made, he played on Ravi's board. He was making the twins play against each other without them knowing. Hours passed. The match grew intense. At the end, both games were a draw. The crowd burst into applause. Medhansh, Vihan and Nikku congratulated Kavish. The twins were shocked. How did you do? But as promised, the twins gave 2 million rupees to Kavish. Kavish's parents were shocked. How? His father asked, You don't know chess. Medan stepped forward and said, Kavish never played chess. He simply used his brain like a chessboard, one move at a time. They all laughed. Kavish's father looked at the check. So, what will you do with all this money, Kavish? That night, the four friends sat on the rooftop of Medan's house and thought what should be done. Vihan said we could buy video games. Nikku added, or an ice cream shop. They all laughed. The next day, the four friends visited their principal and said, We want to start a wisdom club where children can play, learn chess, and puzzles. Then Medans asked Kavish, When you saw that maze in the orb, it wasn't just about a chess game, was it? Kavid nodded slowly. No, it was about choices. The maze showed me fear and confusion, but also how calm thinking can lead us out. Back at Medan's home, the magical orb was waiting. This time, Nikku picked it up. It flickered, showing a room filled with mirrors. Each mirror showed a different version of himself. One mirror showed him sad, another showed him ugly, another showed him fearing.